Hey, it's Tom Gallagher and another edition of the story behind the car. I'm on the way home from Cars and Coffee, and I look in this parking lot as I go by, and I had a 38 Chevy pickup truck, and this looks like a 38. 38. The license plate's 39, so 38, 39. It's probably a 39 Chevy pickup truck. But what a hoot! This thing is really, really tricked out. Unfortunately, no one's around. So right here, you can see that design. That was something that Chevy had on their trucks. And as we slide around in the back, and yep, there's a Chevy tailgate. So uh, this is really, really cool. I love the look of this truck, and it's got so many things. The more you look at it, the more you see. So many things on it. Big and little tires and wheels set up. Really, really a cool truck. So, like I said, I'm driving home and I did not see the owner, didn't see anybody around, but I did see the 8-ball on the front. So I thought, well, what the hell, I'll shoot it. So, pretty darn cool truck. Looks like it has an Oldsmobile Rocket 350 motor. And I had a friend that had an Oldsmobile, and he had he'd always brag about the fact that the Oldsmobile Rocket 350 was such a great motor. And check that out. That's actual hair on there, too. That's pretty wild. So for you younger guys, you don't know what Kilroy is. During World War II, some the guys would put Kilroy on all kinds of buildings, on vehicles. Kilroy was here, so they've got this one tricked out with that as well. Love the taillights. Love the trailer hitch. It's even got a trailer hitch on it. I guess that's a class. Was it class one? I don't remember what the hell. It looks like a 1 inch. But anyway, just a cool. So somebody's got a landscaping business, and this is their little daily runaround truck. Just pretty darn cool. Love the setup, the axle shocks, marker lights. Got a marker light on the side there, and you can see another angle of the Oldsmobile Rocket 350. So maybe we'll get the owner. So you can see that right there. That's how you pull the door shut. I remember in my 38 Chevy, there was no handles on the inside. You just put your fingers on that, pull the door shut. And oh, here's the on and off switch. Got to have one of those. Maybe the owner will watch this. I ended up dropping my business card on his windshield. At first, I thought this was a Ford, and I was pretty convinced it was a Ford. But the more I looked at it, then I remembered the design there. It's a Chevy truck, but it's a cool truck nonetheless. And single wiper blade. Don't need two anyway. And it looks like the guy that built that nice bumper or bumperette across the front. Has the skull for the radiator cap. Dual bowl master cylinder. And again, the Oldsmobile Rocket 350. You can see the oil filter canister, which Chevy had that as well as Ford. Side marker lights, which are really cool. Just a great looking truck.